Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before I begin, I wanted to thank you everyone who wished on my birthday. Today's video I'm gonna be unboxing some of my gifts which I got on my birthday. Actually I got two of them, so it's gonna be a simple video. So thank you guys for those who watch my video. So that's a big box right there, and two pairs of sunglasses. These two I got gift from my friend, and let's see what's in this big box. Some people might have already guessed it. Yeah, it's a helmet. Let's see which helmet it is. So it's a LS2 helmet. Let me open this. So that's the helmet. Let me take this visor off. So I have taken the visor off, and yeah, that's the helmet. It looks quite comfortable. It has a reflective visor and two air sockets. So I will be using this helmet the most because it is comfortable to wear, and it's quite easy to vlog. As you can see, I've already kept a mount over here, this thing in front of the helmet at the chin. You will be knowing what I'm gonna be doing with this thing. And yeah, these are my two gifts that I got for my birthday. This helmet also comes with this nose thing which can be removed off easily, but I think it looks odd without it, so I will just keep it here. So might have noticed that I am having two helmets. I used to have a Vega off-road helmet, red color, and this is a plain visor. The reason I moved to this helmet is because the Vega off-road helmet vibrates a lot, and I need to struggle a lot in case of wind and at speeds. So I think this helmet will be good for me. So I will be riding with this helmet in the next vlogs, and I will show you how it's gonna be. So see you in that. So until then, bye bye. This is a small video, so I will be getting back with the next video. Bye.